Look at that hill, Lisa. It's covered with pine cones that we can use for kindling.
But Psalty told us to stay close by the trail. I don't want to get lost, Matthew.
Oh, come on, Lisa. It'll be okay. Stick with me. I'm a big kid now.
Okay, but I don't think this is a good idea. Camp is all set up now. Doesn't it look great?
It looks terrific, and it makes me feel like a real camp director.
Yeah. We got our tent of Psalty.
And we did it all by ourselves.
I knew you could do it. Looper, watch out! Looper! Whoops. There's something I forgot to tell you. Sometimes problems take longer to solve than we think, and we just have to be patient.
We'll help you get it back up, guys.
Sure, come on. And in spite of everything, camp looks wonderful. You kids did a great job, and I'm proud of each one of you.
So pretty up here with all the big, tall trees.
And the air smells so good.
Look, there's the first star.
Can we sing songs around the campfire, Psalty?
How about roasting marshmallows?
Sure. Now that we got that tent back up, let's get this fire going.
Listen, the cricket's already singing.
On a starry night, we sing his praises loud and strong. Sitting round the campfire as it blazes, won't you come and sing along? Listen to the crickets sing his praises all night long. Squeaking out a tune with lilting phrases, we'll join in their happy song. My Father made the universe and everything it holds, and every day before my eyes His handiwork unfolds. See the little firefly, oh so small, and yet he's lighting up the night. We can learn a lesson from him as he's praising God with all his might. La la, what a wonderful feeling. Ooh, sing a tra-la-la songs. Oh, with the skies high ceiling, makes you feel like you belong. On a starry night, we sing his praises loud and strong. Sitting round the campfire as it blazes, won't you come and sing along? On a starry night, we sing his praises loud and strong. Sitting round the campfire as it blazes, won't you come and sing along? My Father made the universe and everything it holds, and every day before my eyes His handiwork unfolds. On a starry night, we sing his praises loud and strong. Sitting round the campfire as it blazes, won't you come and sing along? Won't you come and sing along? Won't you come and sing along?
Time for bed, kids.
Oh, just a little longer, please.
We have a big day planned tomorrow. Fishing, swimming, rock collecting. You'll need a good night's rest.
Blooper wants to sleep with us. Can he, Salty?
All right, but I'm warning you, Blooper snores. Okay, off to bed now. Good night. Good night. Great day today. Don't forget to say your prayers.
We will.
All right, good night.
Michael, what's wrong with you?
I want my nightlight.
Nightlight? There's no way to get a nightlight out here in the woods. Quit crying and go back to sleep.
Yeah, Michael, we've got lots to do tomorrow, and you're keeping us awake.
I can't help it. I'm just used to sleeping with my nightlight.
Excuse me, boys.
What's that? It's shining.
Johnny, you got me a nightlight.
It's not a nightlight. It's a fly.
Well, who are you?
My name's Farley. Farley McFirefly.
Farley McFirefly?
I couldn't help overhearing you crying, Michael. Maybe I can be of some assistance to you.
What can you do?
Well, I can light up your tent for you.
But wouldn't you rather be flying around with all the other bugs?
I can't.
Why not?
I cannot fly. I've a wee handicap. You see, I've only got one wing.
Oh, that's a real problem.
Some folks would think it's a problem. But I count it all joy.
Joy?
Of course. I see it as an opportunity for God to use me in a very different way.
How?
Well, now, it's true I cannot fly, but I can glow. And when I glow, I give the glory all to God. Well, I may be just a firefly, I'm not gonna one of me wings. And folks think I'm disabled, but they're not knowing everything. There's a whole lot more of me to give. I've got a mind and heart, and when I open up me mouth to sing, that's when I really start to glow.
Look, he's glowing. He's glowing. He's really glowing. He is glowing.
And give the glory all to God. Glow and give the glory all to God. Glow and give the glory all to God. Glow and give the glory all to God. So set your light upon the hill and give it a glow for God. Well, I may be kinda little, and I may be kinda small, and I may not even be able to reach the light switch on the wall. It's true I'm a wee bit tiny, but I'm as big as any man. Cause when I'm walking with the Lord, it's 10 feet tall I stand. So when I glow,
He's doing it again.
I give the glory all to God. Glow and give the glory all to God. Glow and give the glory all to God. Glow and give the glory all to God. So set your light upon the hill and give it a glow for the God. Well, you may be kinda little, and you may be kinda small, and you may not even be able to reach the light switch on the wall. It's true you're a wee bit tiny, but you're as big as any man. Cause when you're walking with the Lord, it's 10 feet tall you'll stand. So when you glow, just give the glory all to God. Glow and give the glory all to God. Glow and give the glory all to God. Glow and give the glory all to God. So set
Hi, I'm Psalty, the singing songbook. Whom do I have the pleasure of meeting?
This is Farley McFirefly. He's disabled.
Disabled? Oh, no, Michael. When you're walking with the Lord, you're more than able.
Blooper, what's wrong? What's the matter? Matthew and Lisa are missing. Where are they? They didn't come back when I sent them out looking for firewood? Oh, no. Kids, come on. We've got to find them.
Take me with you, old salt, and I'll glad to help you light your way.
All right, Farley, let's go. Matthew! Lisa! Matthew!